Hello, everybody. I hope that you are well. I just wanted to come and share with you some updates about the AP exam. You may have already heard these things, but I just wanted to tell you, like, in case you hadn't. So the AP exam, you are going to be able to take it. It's going to be taken at home. So they are going to be 45-minute exams, and I believe they said they would have 2 testing dates. I'm not sure what those dates are yet. That is forthcoming on, they're supposed to tell us more on April 3rd. So I'll let you know when I know that. But like I said, you're going to take them at home on your computers. So you need to have access to College Board, to the website. I did assign some multiple choice last week, and most of you did it, but I know a couple people had some problems with like error messages coming up. I've emailed College Board. I haven't heard back yet, but I'll keep you posted. But it's important to email me and let me know if you're having problems with the College Board website or if you can't sign in for some reason, because I'm pretty sure that's how you're going to be taking your exam, and also it's how we're going to be transitioning in the rest of our course to really do some practice for exams. So let me know if you can't access College Board. Trevor Packer, big AP guy, tweeted out on Friday that the exam is going to be FRQ only. And so it will be, I don't know how many FRQs, if it's 45 minutes, maybe 2. I don't know really what that's going to look like. When they let us know, I'll let you know. But yeah, no multiple choice on this exam, which you guys are great at FRQs, so that's good news for us. Also, exciting news, we are technically now through the content. So the College Board has decided that they are only going to test on content that will be done, or that is usually taught through March. And so that for APES is units 1 through 7. Unit 7 is the air pollution unit. And I just went through the exam document, and looks like we're through content. There's some stuff that we're going to go back on and touch more on. That being said, Unit 8 and Unit 9 have some of the most relevant information to us in our lives right now. So Unit 8 has a lot of stuff about human health and pandemics and pathogens. And so I am going to have, sorry, Chester is messing with my water bottle right now. So I am going to upload a couple more lectures before the exam, but there'll be one about human health impacts and how humans and the way that we live have impacted like diseases. And there will be a second, this might be split into 2. We're going to cover climate change because you know me, I can't not cover climate change. So even though those topics won't be expressly covered on your exam, I feel like it's important that you learn a little bit about it before I let you go out into the big world as graduated human beings from here in high school. So to recap, make sure you can access College Board. Exams are going to be at home, 45 minutes, FRQs only, and we are technically done with content. Looking forward to the rest of our course. We are going to start reviewing, and that's going to look like watching review videos and probably writing an FRQ at least once a week, but we're going to be hitting those FRQs pretty hard. So be looking forward to writing a lot of FRQs, getting really, really good and polishing those skills. Yeah, so guys, I hope that you were all well. I miss you all so much. I really hope that we get to go back to school in May so I get to see your smiling faces. Office hours. Always come to office hours. Office hours are 1 to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. So stop by, say hello, bring your pets. Chester will be there upon request. I found out that he sleeps a lot. So Chester's nap time is between like, noon and 4. So uh, just let me. He's awake right now. So here's Chester. Make sure you can get on College Board. I will see you at office hours. Bye.